How to get unlimited coupon codes for existing users. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly obtain an endless supply of coupon codes for the existing users on TEMU. So let's commence without any further delay. First of all, you may launch any web browser and conduct a search for TEMU coupon code. By doing so, you will gain access to an infinite array of promotional codes and coupon codes for TEMU. The next step involves copying the code in the precise manner. Subsequently, proceed to open your TEMU application. Once you have reached the home page, navigate to the bottom where you will locate the U tab. Direct yourself towards the section. Within this area, you will encounter various choices. Click on the Coupon and Offers feature to explore further. At the topmost part, you will notice a search bar. Input the copied coupon code into this designated space. Upon entering the code, proceed to tap on Apply. Following this simple process, you are now ready to enjoy the benefits. This serves as a comprehensive guide on how to acquire unlimited coupon codes for existing users on TEMU. So this concludes our presentation. If you find this content to be informative, kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.